to go catch fish to sell.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! The wheel is stuck. We have to find a way.
Aha! Okay.
Oh no! We have to call for rescue.
Stay where you are.
Hello, Rescue Bear speaking.
Help me!
Okay. Let's go!
Hey, I'm here.
Mr. Panda, please help! Our tractor is stuck in the mud and we can't get it out! Oh, what a lovely day to make my tractor shine. Oh, I love my tractor, shiny and new.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
We have to get the tools to fix the car. Finally, it's fixed. Superstar!
With the excavator work complete, the industrious macaque transports the sand.
Hello! I'm currently on my way to harvest cabbage.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! What the hell just happened?
Officer!
Hello!
Near the river! Help me! Help me!
Okay. Let's go.
Hello!
Are you okay?
The whole shipment is ruined. He hit the boulder right there and everything went everywhere.
Let me give you a hand.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no!
Help me!
Hey, what's going on? Looks like your car broke down. I can tow it back for you. Hey, what's it taking so long?
Okay.
you so much! You fixed it perfectly!
Everything looks shipshape.
Okay.
I have to go spray pesticide now.
Let's go.
Superstar! Okie dokie! I'm home now. Superstar! Let's go! Oh no!
Yummy. Yummy.
Okay.
Oh, the seeds are here.
Let's go.
I have to plant the seed.
Okay.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Let's go.
Hurry up, let's go.
It's a bumper harvest. I'm home now. Superstar!
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hurry up, my dear.
Yeah, okay.